Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be breaking down a swing trade I made on Divis Labs on which we booked 4.75% profits in just 2 days. So let's see what made me enter this trade and how it played out. Um, First of all, I would like to show you this thing right here. This was a clear head and shoulders pattern that was formed. Let me just draw this down to make it clear. So this was the left shoulder, this was the head, and this was the right shoulder. Here we see that the stock tried to break out again from the top of its left shoulder, but it failed, and this led to a crash all the way down here. So as we know, a head and shoulder pattern is something that is typically a bearish signal, and that's what happened in the case of this stock as well. Once this head and shoulders pattern was confirmed here, the stock broke down and reached its previous support level, which was around 3350. And at this point we see that the RSI was 33, which is quite low, and it clearly indicated that the stock had been oversold, and this was actually a very good point of entry if one had to buy this stock, but we missed this opportunity, and the stock just rallied its way upward right until it reached its this level of its right and left shoulder. From there on, it corrected just a little bit and took support at 3670. Now one could argue that this was again another good opportunity for entry, and fairly so, the stock did move upwards from here, but in my opinion it could have also broken down again because this candle didn't seem very promising. Its close was much lower than the previous day's close, and also on the previous day we see that the stock had been rejected on its way when it was trying to probably make a breakout upwards. So we kind of needed some confirmation before we could enter, and I think the next good window of opportunity would have been when the stock broke its previous swing high, which was around this level, and where we can see that around this level there is also a resistance brought in by the left and right shoulders. So in my opinion, at this point the next good opportunity was definitely the breakout of these levels, and that is what kind of happened around 24th of April. Let me just remove this. Yeah, so that is what kind of happened around 24th of April. So on 24th of April we see that the candle closed being on the verge of a breakout, even though it didn't quite clearly make a breakout, even though it didn't quite close significantly higher, or it didn't even close higher. Forget about significance, it didn't even close higher than this level. But what made me consider entering this trade on this day was, first of all, the stock had really recovered very well from its support level. It continuously made very good green candles, and it was closing with another very good green candle on this day. And on this day we see that the RSI was around 62, and I was expecting that this would go on to its previous high, which was at around 70. So I was expecting that this would at least reach this level, and what that would mean is the stock would definitely have to make a breakout to reach its previous high. So that's what happened. The next day it opened higher and closed positive, and on the following day it was just on fire. Just look at this candle, from 3850 to it closed at 4016. And so yeah, that was an analysis of me taking a swing trade on this stock, on which I made 4.75% in just 2 days, entering at 3800 and exiting at around 4000. I guess I think it was 3980. So if you would also like to make money on live calls like I made on this stock, I will share link to a WhatsApp group where I share live calls and trading insights. So you could join the group through a link in the description I'll be providing. And for more of such trade analysis and insights, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.